morning everybody, it's the 17th of January. Wow, where is this year going? So, it's cold today, but nowhere near as cold as it was yesterday. Nowhere near. And I think that's because there's a nice warm blanket of grey cloud. And that's keeping some, if any, heat in. And it might be keeping a little bit of heat out as well, maybe, I don't know. So don't forget our sales on. Got all these wonderful bikes. Let's have a look. We've got the Revenge, Marin, Lineback Overdrive, Rally Esquire, Rally Pioneer, GT Paloma, Falcon Explorer 6, Rally Camaro, Reflex Belmont, Coral Equator, this lovely hybrid bike, Rally Caprice Reduced. I've got this Doors Galaxy and these two 24-inch bikes. So we're here every day apart from Sunday and Monday, 9 till 5, but I go for lunch 1 till 2, as you probably know. If you haven't noticed it yet, if you watch the end of the video, I write a little letter at the end of each video where I can be a little bit more detailed, shall we say, about what's happened during the day and how I feel about it. Okay, so this shop needs tidying up, because one of the things about fitting that door was I made a right mess yesterday and things are a little bit chaotic. So I've got a wheel to sort out, I've got some tidying to do, and then all the other stuff. I've got a gap to fill, and I'm not too worried because I've got a bike that will go straight in there. So I'm going to get into it. Let's shut this door. Actually, this is getting changed really soon, hopefully, to an electric one, which sends an alarm in the workshop rather than ding 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 ding. Okay, so I'm going to get on. First things first, let's get the kettle on, and then we can make a start on the tidying and the jobs that need doing. Right, let's do it. So we've just had 2 test saddles come in from our friends at Dill Glove and Cell SMP that we'll be reviewing very soon. They're really cool shaped. I like them. My gut instinct is I like them. We will we need to get them on a bike, get them on my bike, get riding. So we've got 2 saddles to test. One is a SMP Extra and one is an SMP Welless gel saddle. So this is obviously the gel one, offers a bit more comfort. So that's very kind of them, and we will definitely be reviewing them very soon. So the next job, let's sort this wheel out. The axle has bent, so we're going to put another wheel on, and then the customer should be over the moon, hopefully. Okay, so this wheel is done. Hopefully the customer will pick up this afternoon or later on. So it's still bitterly cold. We've had a few customers in. We had one guy who brought his bike in because it needed a new drive. So I'm now going to go for my lunch, and then when I'm back this afternoon I'm just going to finish tidying up and then get the video made. And I really need to crack on sorting the YouTube channel out, because there's a few things that I want to get sorted and a few things I want to change. So that's my strategy. So I'm going for lunch. I'll see you after I've eaten. Hi guys, so been back from lunch and I've done a few things in the shop that needed doing, and a little bit of social media, but I'm rapidly running out of time to get today's video on. If there's any content that you'd like to see specifically or in general, please let me know in the comments. I look at all the comments and I try and reply to all of them if I can. But yeah, give us a shout in the comments if there's anything you'd like to see, anything you'd like to see us doing. So at the weekend we're announcing our, or we're going to release our first one take bicycle tour videos, which should be good. So if you haven't subscribed yet, we'd love you to join. If you have subscribed, thank you so much. I can't tell you how much we appreciate it. And we're gonna say goodbye for now, and we'll see you tomorrow.